Hey there! Ever wondered how websites respond when you click a button, hover something, or press a key? That's the power of events in JavaScript. Today, we're diving into event handling. This is where the magic begins. By the end of this video, we'll know how to make your web pages come alive and interact with users like a pro. Let's jump right in. Alright, we'll start with a simple example, a button. Let's declare a button in our HTML with an ID of my button. The text inside, it says click me. Now, let's head to JavaScript and make it do something exciting. Here's what's happening. We are using document.getElementsById to grab the button and storing it in a variable called button. Next, we use addEventListener to listen for the click events. When the button is clicked, a function runs and displays an alert saying you just clicked the button. Let's test it. Click the button and there is it. Simple but effective. Now, let's get fancy. I have added a heading that says hover over me. Its ID is hover heading. Let's make it respond to when the mouse hovers over it. Here's the magic. We grab the heading with getElementsById and store it in a variable called heading. Then we added two event listeners, one for mouse over, which changed the text color to blue, and another for mouse out, which resets it to black. Check it out. Hover over the heading and watch the colors change. Cool, right? Let's take it up a notch. Here is an input field where users can type. A paragraph below it shows whatever they type in real time. Here is the breakdown. First, we grab the input field and paragraph by their IDs. Then, we add an input event listener to the input field. This event runs every time the user types, and we update the text content of the paragraph to match the input value. Watch as I type, everything I type appears instantly below. Finally, let's combine events to make something fun. This button will change the background color of the page randomly every time it's clicked. Here's how it works. I'm grabbing the button and attaching a click event listener to it. Inside the function, I'm generating a random color and setting it at the page background. Try clicking the button. It's like magic. The background changes every time. Imagine the possibilities with this. That's it for events handling. We are covered clicks, hovers, escape presses. Now that you understand how to handle events in JavaScript, it's time to put everything we have learned so far into action. In the next video, we're going to create our first funny and interactive project together, a mini game that you are going to love. Get ready to have some fun while coding. See you in the next video. Bye!